Hello friends, in this module we'll continue our second question, second one. They are given vertices of the triangle and they are telling that collinear. As I told how to remember formula in for previous video, try to watch that video and get the conceptual concepts. So here, second one, they are given coordinates 8, 1 something, k minus 4 and 2 minus 5, all the things. So x1, y1, and we know that here x1 area of the triangle. Don't think like he already written on the board and seeing and writing solutions. No, I already explained what is the concept behind this, how to remember this formula. That is 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So x1, x2, x3 and brackets y is a common based on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So after 3, 1 again. 1 after 2. So that is the concept 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, again 3, 1, 2. So based on x values. So let's going to substitute the values here and keep on this. And collinear means area is equals to 0. x1, y1 is 8, 1. Then x2, y2, k, minus 4. Then x3, y3, 2, minus 5. So what is the area here? Let's going to substitute and calculate. 1 by 2 into what you can write 1 by 2 into, so x1 that is 8 into y2 minus y3, y2 is minus 4 minus y3 is minus 5 plus what you can write x2 is k into y3 minus y1, y3 is what, minus 5, y1 is what, 1 plus x3 into 2 into y1 minus y2, y1 is what, 1 minus y2 is what, minus 4. So that is the value. So let's keep on doing 1 by 2 into what you can say here is 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 6, plus 2 into 1 plus 4, that is the value. So again 1 by 2, let's going to write 1 by 2 into 8 into minus 4 plus 5. It will be minus 4 plus 5 will become 1 plus into minus 6k plus 2 into 5. So that is the values. Let's write here 1 by 2 into, what is this, 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 2 5s are 10 plus 10. So 1 by 2, 8 plus 10, what it will get? 8 plus 10 will become, obviously it is 18 minus 6k. That is the value, we got it. But all the vertices of the triangle, collinear points. Collinear means all the points which are existed on the same line. That means there is no area. There is no existence of triangle. So there is no existence of triangle means there is no area of that triangle. So here what you can write, area will be equal to 0. Then here 1 by 2, 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Then 2 shift this side, 18 minus 6k, 0 into 2, that is 0. Then what you can write it, 18 minus 6k will be equal to 0, minus 6k will be equal to minus 18, minus will going to cancel, then 6k will be equal to 18, then k will be equal to 18 by 6, 6 ones are, then 6 threes are. K is equals to what? 3. So what is the value of k? It is 3. So based on this, we have to find the values of k. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So now we are going to continue our next question in the same third one. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon and try to share with your friends and family members. It's my humble request to you all. So third one. So they are given 3 coordinates as vertices of the triangle. The 3 coordinates are existed on the same line. That means they are collinear points. That means there is no existence of triangle and there is no existence of area. So as we know, this is the area of the formula of into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle formula. We are going to substitute and equate with the area is 0 and we are going to find the value of k. So that is the values they are given, and let's going to substitute what are the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So k comma k, then x2, y2 2 comma 3, then x3, y3 4 comma minus 1, and substitute all the values. What value we will get going to see. So area will be equal to half into modulus of x1, that is k, into y2 minus y3. y2 is what? 3. y3 plus 3 minus of minus 1, 3 minus of minus 1, plus x2 2 into y3 minus y1. y3 is what? Minus 1. y1 is what? Minus k, plus x3 is what? 4 into y1 minus y2. y1 is k minus y2 is what? 3. So this is the value. So elongate this 1 by 2, k into 3 plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4 into k minus 3. So that is the value. Let's going to expand this value here. So what is that? Let's going to expand 1 by 2 into k 3s are 3k plus k plus 2. So 2 into minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 4 3s are 12. So that is the values. Let's going to simplify that. Area 1 by 2 modulus of 3k plus k is 4k. You can take 4k as it is. 4k minus 2k, 4k plus 4k, 8k, 8k minus 2k, it is plus 6k. So 6k, k is all over, then minus 2 minus 12. So minus 2 minus 12, then what is this? 1 by 2, 6k minus 14. So what is this? Minus 14. So here area is equals to 0, right? That implies 1 by 2, 6k minus 14 is equal to 0. So shift this to the right side. 6k minus 14, 0 into 2, that is 0. Let's going to shift 14 to the right side. It will be 6k will be equal to 14 plus 14k will be equal to 14 by 6. 2 3s are, then 2 7s are. K is equals to 7 by 3. K is equals to 7 by 3. So this is the value for the k. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please try to watch the remaining videos and try to share with your friends.